Hello children, let's learn the exercise part. First exercise. Using the basic shape of a brick, make the following floor pattern. First one, circular pattern. Shall we draw the circular pattern? Okay. Let's first draw 4 bricks close to each other. Then draw bricks in a circle form like this. Again, make another circle by drawing bricks. Like that, draw one more line with bricks. Now you will get circular pattern. Next is a pattern with mirror halves. Children, here some floor patterns are given to you. You have to find out in which pattern can you show mirror halves. For that, you should draw a vertical line or horizontal line to check whether the floor pattern is similar mirror halves or not. Shall we check? Okay. Here 3 patterns are given. See the first floor pattern? Divide the pattern by drawing vertical dotted line. Here the halves are similar. That means this floor pattern has similar mirror halves. Look at the next floor pattern. Let's divide the pattern with vertical and horizontal lines. Here the halves are not same. That means this floor pattern has dissimilar mirror halves. See the next pattern. Let's divide the pattern by using vertical dotted line. Here the halves are same. That means this floor pattern has similar mirror halves. Second question is, using brick pattern, design the following. First one, a wall pattern. Second, a jolly pattern in a wall. First, a wall pattern. For this, you have to draw a rectangular box. In that, draw horizontal lines with equal measurements. Place the scale vertically and draw small lines in the alternative rows. Leave some space and then again draw small lines from the second row alternatively. Like that, you have to fill the rectangular box. Now we will get the wall pattern. Next is jolly pattern. Here wall pattern is given for you. We have to draw jolly pattern in that. First, select the boxes according to your jolly design. Draw the outline and color the boxes which you already draw the outline for jolly pattern. Third question is, draw a brick showing its 3 faces. To draw the faces of the brick, first draw 2 slanting lines like this and join the corners. Now you will get the top face of the brick. Shall we draw the next? Okay. From the first corner, draw 2 standing lines like this and join the corners. This is the second face. Now the third face. Draw one standing line from the top corner of the rectangle which we have drawn already. Then join the remaining 2 corners. Now we will get the brick. We can see the 3 faces of the brick. Fourth question is, draw the various shapes of the faces of a brick. Brick is in cuboid shape. It has 6 faces. but we can see only 3 faces. All the 3 faces are in rectangle shape. In that, 2 faces are big in size. One face is small in size. To draw the shapes of the faces, we can simply draw 2 big rectangles and one small rectangle. These are the various phases of the brick. Children, I hope you would have understood the concept very well. Watch the video repeatedly and complete the worksheets. Thank you.